What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge because yes, Baby Doge has been going down. We have went below our support, but we got to talk about where Baby Doge is going to be going next. So we're going to be talking about this technical analysis today. Definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first, as long as it's not some kind of scam coin. And also remember, this video is brought to you by marcellus.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your music or for your beats, let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's talk about some technicals here with Baby Doge. So the first thing I want to talk about here, like I mentioned earlier, we did break down below that 1250 support. And that's very significant because look, the second we started to break down that support, we had a huge red candlestick. So it shows that that is some really good support that we had, but we did break that support. So now we're going to see some more on the downside. We're going to see some downside trends coming here. So the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 80%. We are 80% bearish for Baby Doge right now. That's when we look at it from a 24-hour standpoint. And also, you want to look at where our next support is because we talked about this. We talked about 1100, but we really talked about how it could get down to 1100 flat. And when I say flat, I mean like the bottom end of 1100 because right now we're at 1191. We got all the way down to 1160, and we do have support over here at 1160. That's where you see the bottom of our supply and demand. Remember, the green shaded areas are supply and demand of more demand, and then if you see a red shaded area with these indicators, that's supply and demand of less demand. Notice how we have a more demand area for Baby Doge here at 1150 because that is our support. We had support back here, back inside of mid to late June. So you want to look at that as our support. Now, we also had support back here for Baby Doge around 1100. And when I say 1100, like I said before, the 1100 flat area. And that's somewhere around this area where we had support, where we hit the bottom of this trend line for our consolidation. Now, when I say the consolidation, I know I'm saying a lot of different things here with Baby Doge, but you got to look at our 4-hour chart here for Baby Doge. When I say that consolidation, that is what I'm saying. It looks like it's consolidating right here. So that's exactly why the second we broke out of the consolidation, now we start to have harder dives downwards. Now that we finally broke out of this consolidation pattern, now you're starting to see Baby Doge breaking more supports. And now we're down here to this area over here at 1191. So we could break that 1150 support that we just now showed earlier that we have for Baby Doge. So we could have a lot of red coming for Baby Doge if we don't get Baby Doge swap coming out like soon. Remember, the AMA is at 2 p.m. today. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. This will definitely be out by then. But yeah, I'm going to do a video on the AMA as well. If it's good enough, if they have a lot of information in it, I'll do it. But if there's no information in it, I can't do a video on it. And then I'll do that. And then I'm also going to be getting a Baby Doge video out today on how to get Baby Doge on the Ledger Nano X. I actually have my Ledger Nano X right here. So I'm going to be doing a whole video on that. Definitely check out the link in the description for the, I have affiliate link there for the Ledger Nano X, but I'm going to do a video on it. And then I'm going to be making a video probably about tomorrow talking about why I don't believe it's worth it to get it on the Ledger Nano X if you want to, get in and out of Baby Doge. But I'm going to do whole videos on that because there are some fees with it. So we're going to talk about that. Don't worry. But anyways, I have it on Ledger Nano X as well. So I still like it, even though I don't think it's 100% worth it to put all your Baby Doge on there. But definitely put some in there. That's what I'm saying. But anyways, we're going to do a whole video on that, so don't even worry about that. But I do want to mention a few other things here with Baby Doge. Like I said, we do have support over here at 9Z or at 8Z9. We have some support for Baby Doge, so definitely watch out for that. Now, we did just now break down below this support, so it's probably going to take a little bit for us to know whether or not we're going to be bullish after this. But the 24-hour market control is still saying it's in control by the bulls by 60%. When you look at it on the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart is the long-term chart. So they're saying when we're long-term, we're still bullish by 60%. So that's definitely still good there. And Baby Doge swap coming out as well will make us bullish. So all this bearish stuff will be thrown out the window if Baby Doge swap comes out like anytime soon. So that's definitely going to be really good for us. But yeah, that's definitely where I'm at with the technicals here. And then with Bitcoin here, we just now came off of the support. Like I mentioned yesterday, I mentioned that, Baby Doge is probably going to end up trying to, break out from here. So as you can see, Baby Doge went huge down. The second we hit that resistance and tried to break out, we went down huge. But what you really want to look at here for Baby Doge is what's on the oscillator. So this is a nice move on the oscillator. So this is showing that we're oversold, right? all that selling right there was way oversold. But notice how the selling stopped and it started to go up because buying started to come in. That buying is what we see here. This right here is this slope right here going on the upside, going to the buying, but it hasn't stopped yet. Notice how we haven't seen any green yet for the buying to indicate that there's more buying. So this pretty much indicates that we're about to get more buying coming in for Baby Doge, which means this is probably what's going to bring us up here to this red line. It's going to bring us back to 19.7K. You're probably going to see Baby Doge try to retest that again, or we might get a little bit close to it, maybe 19.6 or 19.5K. But yeah, 19.7K definitely looks like the immediate area for us to hit for Baby Doge. And if we get rejected, then obviously we will go back down to 18.9K and eventually lower because, we did already hit that support once. So if we get rejected again and go back down, now we're going to go all the way down to 18.7K instead of 18.9K. So that's what you want to look out for the short term with Bitcoin. Now, when you're talking about Bitcoin for the long term and you're looking at the 4-hour chart, then it kind of shows something different. We are still on this oversold area on the oscillator. So you're still seeing that they're selling here for Bitcoin. Now, you still see that they're selling, yes, but look, the buying hasn't came in yet. So just like with the other one, the buying wave hasn't came in yet. So this buying wave could bring us anywhere to like mid 20.3K or upper area of 20.7K. So that's what you want to look out for Bitcoin coming soon in the long term. After we bottom out, that's probably where we're going to end up bouncing back to. And I made a whole video earlier today about how Baby Doge, or not Baby Doge, but how the whole overall crypto market could be coming down and Bitcoin bottoming out around like 15 to 13K. So you want to look at that. But after that bottom out, that's what I'm talking about. This 20.4K, 20.7, 20.9K. Those are major areas of resistance. So when we bottom out, you want to watch for those areas. But anyways, moving on from this stuff, Baby Doge isn't doing too bad today. I mean, we're only down 3.6% for the day. And then you see over here down 2.3% for Bitcoin. And I want to go over a few other things as well. So look, 21.82K burn today. That's 18.19 trillion Baby Doge. I don't know why I was stuttering over there. But then we also have over here 7 days, 94.27K in the last 7 days burned. That's really good stuff right there. I want to see more and more Baby Doge getting burned. So yeah, we're still burning at a good pace right now, especially for 25 hours. Now, over here, you see a popular altcoin, Baby Dogecoin, has announced plans to launch the swap and the protocol, all that good stuff. This was by Binance Smart Chain News. This is a good sign for us because, as you know, Binance Smart Chain News is not completely owned by Binance, but they're heavily influenced by Binance. And you better bet that CZ Binance and the rest of the people at Binance go to Binance Smart Chain News just to look at stuff. So it kind of shows that we're going in the right path. The fact that they're always talking about us, they're always tweeting about us. So it shows that we are going in the right path here with Baby Doge. But we already know all about our swap and our metaverse, so I'm not going to read that article on it. But anyways, over here, we also have 7B. This is an exchange trying to list either Poodle, Baby Doge, Kishu, or Saitama. Baby Doge right now at number 2. Poodle is winning. But I think we could beat Poodle token to get listed on here. But even if we don't, I mean, it's a really small and minor exchange. I mean, it's very small. So it doesn't matter if we get listed on there, but it would help out just to be listed on any exchange. It will help their exchange out as well. But yeah, Baby Doge is also the number 1 largest meme coin community on Telegram. So that's big as well. But yeah, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this all. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. So you definitely want to go ahead and get you a Ledger Nano wallet so then you can use that to protect your crypto. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of these financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.